How to watch live football on YouTube TV everywhere. Step number 1, subscribe to YouTube TV. Visit the YouTube TV website and sign up for a subscription. The base plan includes over 100 channels such as CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, and NFL Network, which broadcast various football games. Step number 2, add NFL Sunday Ticket, optional. For access to out-of-market NFL games, consider adding the NFL Sunday Ticket to your YouTube TV subscription. This add-on allows you to watch all Sunday afternoon games that are not broadcast locally. Note that this add-on is available exclusively in the US. Step number 3, access the YouTube TV app. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, such as a smart TV, smartphone, tablet, or streaming device. Step number 4, sign in to your account. Open the app and sign in with your YouTube TV credentials. Step number 5, navigate to live football games. Use the search function to find specific games or browse the live or sports sections to discover ongoing or upcoming football matches. Step number 6, start streaming. Select the game you wish to watch and it will begin streaming live on your device.